to birds or mammals, they don't produce much. They don't need biomass. So production to biomass or their turnover rates are quite low. And metazooplankton, when I talk about metazooplankton or protozooplankton, you can think about unicellular or multicellular zooplankton in a simplistic way. If you don't know what they are, okay? And there's a big jump when you go to multicellular zooplankton in terms of their scale. These are the species, number of species. When you go to mammals, the number of species drops down, but when you go down to the level of bacteria, number of species is huge, right? And in terms of change in size and change in weight, bacteria or phytoplankton, they don't change much in size, they just split. Unicellular organisms, they split. They are. Whereas when you go to metazooplankton level and up, there's huge change in their size or in their weight as they grow. And in terms of swimming and advection behavior, they start their behavior as they grow in size. So how are we going to couple all these different organisms? Again, we need to understand very well at which scales, what type of models we will need. When we talk about biogeochemical models, generally we talk about at least a year to decades, because when we are focusing on biogeochemical cycles, at least we want to look at the seasonal cycle and the interannual differences. But if you are talking about an individual copepod, for example, then you need to consider minutes to days to correctly capture its life cycle. And of course, population models and food web models lie in between. But we need to feed the information from these different models to the others at different scales. So we need to have a complete range of models when we talk about end-to-end models that function at different levels. What's the solution to that? We need to combine observational approaches together with modeling approaches. We need to consider, we need to look at what's going on in the laboratory. Okay. Generally, when we are focusing on individual model, we can put a copepod in the laboratory and measure its growth rate, metabolic rate, etc., and feed it into this model. Also, when we go to the population level, this time we can look at microcosms or mesocosm experiment, and also large mesocosms and in situ experiments can feed into community models. Okay, and even if we are looking at the individual field measurements with respect to weight stage, reproductive stage, etc., are important, and we need to feed these into these models, and field measurements, of course, are very valuable information in terms of the population and community level. So we need to combine all these approaches, and we need to feed the information that we have at community-based or population-based into the other compartments that function at smaller time and space scale. It's complicated, but it needs to be done. Okay, as mentioned in the paper that I have shown you quite young, there is no single fully integrated model that can simulate everything, right? So we need to have a clear statement. We need to know very well our research question and build the complexity on top of this question. Okay, we are modelers, but after all, we are also scientists. Okay, so we need to try to understand what really exists. Again, as I've said, we need to try to address a real problem rather than just focusing on developing a tool. And this is the last slide, and I want to say a few things here. I mean, this is a diagram that most of you know. This is about the past and future carbon don't know what will happen in 100 years, if the carbon dioxide levels will be here or there. But doesn't matter either way. There are challenges that are waiting for us, and Raghu he stressed this, that we need to collaborate and we need to communicate. And this summer school is one of the summer schools that can manage, or it managed to bring a broad spectrum of people from different cultures, from different countries. Only a strong program like IMBER can achieve this, because we also help other summer schools, but generally they are supported by projects and their focus is narrower, and our global program like IMBER is very capable of bringing these cultures and communities together. And I think what you need to do is you need to start talking with each other here. This is a very good start, because in the future when we face these problems, you will be talking to your neighbor that's sitting next to you, and if you start that collaboration and that communication now, I believe you will really achieve something in the future, and then you will have the reasons to be positive. And that's all I wanted to talk about today. If I was too fast or if you couldn't understand anything, please feel free to ask. Thank you. This is our institute in the Mediterranean. This is the harbor. And this is a coconut bloom in the Black Sea. This is a modest picture from a few days before.
We have some time for questions.
Yes. I'm not a modeler. I don't have much experience with that sort of stuff. Only what I learned today. My question is, when you are saying, I'm very interested in what you in your last part, bridging the ecosystem models and the biogeochemistry. Are there any simpler models, for example, focusing on things on processes related to climate change, such as the carbonate cycle or pH changes, not only on the nutrients and the classic sort of theoretical models? I mean, taking these techniques, but adapting them to the new questions.
Yes, I believe that was the Osmos model, right? That Olivier uses. It's energy-based.
Yes, because this is Unix, I guess. Because it does dynamic energy budget. I don't know how far you want to get into it. The allometric scaling approach, which takes the energy supply and then assumes kind of scaling response from the energy to metabolic rates, and then the idea is to estimate the biomass that gets produced from a given supply of energy.
There are also agent-based models or trait-based models, but they are still developing. I mean, they don't really cover the whole spectrum. They are not end-to-end yet. But maybe in the future. For now, I think the most advanced one is Atlantis. But there are efforts.
So one of the problems that you have is we're trying to put fish and sharks and people into a global climate model. The higher trophic levels have mental images of how the world is that dictates their behaviour, and that doesn't marry well with the computation or the computer side of how they've treated the physics, which they've passed around into little silos that don't communicate with each other until the end of the time step, whereas the shark or whatever needs a picture of that whole region. So trying to break the computer science question so we can address the ecosystem science question is what we're trying to do right now.
That's way deep into the issue, but can you say whether any of these models can be used to do integrated assessment? Like, let's say you have a small region in the lake or your sea, and you want to do the health of the productivity is, how resilient it is, and the biodiversity. Are these amenities starving, for example, good for the
I doubt that, because, I mean, when you ask me, are you talking about the steam generation models only, or the end-to-end models
in any of them?
in your? Okay, I believe there are some end-to-end models that are capable of doing that. We are actually working exactly on that, assessing the ecosystem health in the Black Sea, and Pekin is developing a fish model that we are coupling with the lower trophic level model, and we will be able to do such assessments, and we can look at certain indicators, I would say, for example, fish production versus primary production, or the ratio between large fish and small fish, and this kind of models are capable of doing that. When you talk about the Darwin model, we were discussing that. I think it's more appropriate. It's a very useful model, but it can look at the descriptive like biodiversity. You can really see under changing conditions how different phytoplankton will shift from one regime to the other, or how different types of phytoplankton will emerge. But to look at, I mean, we can talk about ecosystem health up to a limited level, which is much more good as well. Yes, biodiversity is a big indicator at the end.
Yeah, I mean, between you, I don't know what that's will talk about, but between Marcus's talk and your talk, I hope students can get a sense that the question you ask in the lead can greatly affect the kind of model you want to build. So if you wanted to do the health of the body, then how do you represent biodiversity? Can you do it with functional groups, or you obviously cannot represent hundreds and thousands of groups equally there are. Maybe it's not necessary. When you do that atmospheric model, every leaf is moving on a tree, but you don't need to represent it in the model. It's friction, so you represent it in some way. So if you want to do biology, these models can maybe be developed to address the health, but then if you wanted to ask another question, whether any given system is trying to optimize resilience or productivity or complexity, then you will need another kind of model. So we're not really addressing those issues either.
Absolutely, yeah. At the end, we need to use a percentage of models, depending on our focus. Yes.
It's much known about the role of viruses in marine ecosystems. Is it possible model should take account of viruses?
Okay. I mean, we have some knowledge on the viruses, how they affect bacteria, dealing with phytoplankton. I mean, in terms of, especially in terms of the mortality trend, generally when we talk about natural mortality, it's the mortality caused by viruses. Again, to answer your question, we need to look at our motivation, what's our research question. If we are looking at carbon production, would including viruses matter? Or is it okay just to parameterize them in the mortality term? If you ask me, I think it's enough to parameterize them in the mortality term. Or if we are to look at some different nutrient dynamics, I'm not very knowledgeable on this, but it's possible that